Hey, what is up you guys, it's me again, Trev's Bits and Bobs, and welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm at home today, as you can tell, because of my figure shelf, and I've not been to a park today because it rains this morning, so today we're going to do a taste test review of the Nestlé Milky Bar Ice Lolly. So, this is quite a small lolly. They should have made them big like the Magnum lollies, and these have been quite hard to get hold of. They must only sell them at special times at Easter, and so let's get to it before it melts. So Easter's just round the corner, so they must sell them for Easter. Just look how tiny this is. It says Nestlé Milky Bar on the bottom, so we'll give this a try. Cheers. Tasty. They taste just like them Magnum lollies, but I wish they made them bigger though. Oh wait. You know, I used to, for Nestlé Milky Bar things, they used to do a tub of ice cream, Milky Bar biscuits, and they used to sell the first Milky Bar lollies back in 2011 to 12. That's when I first had one. Tasty. Very cold as well. Right, before we end the video, this is the last bit. Cheers. So that was the taste test review of the Nestlé Milky Bar Ice Lollies. So these was £3 from Tesco's, and so I wish this how small that stick is. They should just made them big like the Magnum ones, like I said. So anyway, so I hope you did enjoy today's video, and I hope you enjoyed the taste test review. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, comment. You know we'll drill. Winterest Bits and Bobs over now, and I will see all you guys later. Bye guys. Peace out, over and out, bye. Subscribe for some more Trust Bits and Bobs. Out.